Hi there, let's play through The Way You Do the Things You Do, classic by Smokey Robinson. If you need to review any of the tutorial, chord progressions, strum pattern, any of that, please check it out. We're here just to play it through here in our practice, starting on that D chord, getting the groove of the swing strum. Ba, 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 ba. Nice lilted strum. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah. Get ready for the verse. Remember, we hold that chord for the pickup lyrics. A 1, 2, here we go. Hold, you got a smile so bright. You know you could have been a candle. I'm holding you so tight. You know you could have been a handle. The way you swept me off my feet. You know you could have been a brew. The way you smell so sweet. You know you could have been some perfume. Here we go. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to, and I can tell the way you do the things you do. Awesome. Here comes verse 2, 2, 3, and a hold. As pretty as you are, you know you could have been a flower. If good looks could cause a minute, you know that you could be an hour. The way you stole my heart, you know you could have been a cool crook. And baby, you're so smart. You know you could have been a school bug. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to, and I can tell the way you do the things you do. Now verse 3 is an abbreviated verse, just one couplet here, no chord changes. A 1, 2, ready, and a hold. You made my life so rich. You know you could have been some money. And baby, you're so sweet. You know you could have been some honey. Well, you could have been anything that you wanted to, and I can tell the way you do the things you do. Straight to the outro. You really swept me off my feet. You made my life complete. You made my life so bright. You make me feel alright. And on D. Beautiful. Nice work. Good practice. Come on back. Practice with me anytime you need. Make sure you're practicing without the video too, so you really get a chance to learn that song from the inside out, as I like to say. But as always, whenever you have questions, I am here for you, ready to rock out anytime. Enjoy your practice. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.